Hello everyone, my name is Mars, and in today's video, I'm gonna try another Nutella recipe. This is a Nutella brownie with only 2 ingredients, and I can't believe this is a thing. Anyway, let's try it. It won't take long. So we only need 2 ingredients, 2 eggs, and half a cup of Nutella. The procedure is pretty easy. First, we need to beat the eggs until it's light and fluffy like so. After that, let's heat up the Nutella over at the microwave. Heat it up for 15 seconds and then stir it and then chuck it back to the microwave for another 15 seconds and we are done. The Nutella should be slightly runnier. Back to the mixer, let's add Nutella to the eggs a little bit at a time. Keep doing it until everything is incorporated. Here's our batter. It's done that fast. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna transfer it to our baking tin with parchment paper on top. This is quite thin, lol. I don't really have a smaller tin, so we just have to deal with thin brownies. Alright, bake time! I preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. So let's bake it at around 12 minutes. The batter is thin, so it doesn't need lots of time. 12 minutes later. Here's the brownies. It looks crumbly. It inflated while baking and now it deflated again. Also, whoa, this is flaky. I have never done a brownie with a flaky top before. Let's slice it up to 16 pieces and taste it. And yes, I will eat it in front of the video personally. You're seeing some mukbang today, or at least this is what it's called, right? It's not bad, but it tastes quite eggy though. My mom tried it and she said the same thing. My proportions are correct though. The recipe said 4 eggs and 1 cup of Nutella, and well, I cut that in half, but it shouldn't really affect anything. It's not something to write home about, to be honest. I might be used to having some chocolate chunks in brownies, but this recipe could use a bit more chocolate. The texture felt a bit smooth, which I was not expecting. I'd eat it, it's not bad, but it's not amazing either. The only mind-blowing thing about this is it only uses 2 ingredients. Would I make this again? Nah, I'd rather do my go-to recipe for brownies. You know, with all the cocoa powder and the chocolate. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. It's quite short, but I'm not really playing the algorithm game, so I don't care. I do some DIYs, crafts, baking, and cooking in this channel. If you want to see more of this face, well, better hit the subscribe button and click that bell so you'll be notified if there are new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!